Ako kasi yung taong kahit na sinabi ng baba na safe yung area, hanggat hindi ko nakikita yung lugar mismo, eh hindi ko pwedeng sabihin sa taas na na-assess ko mismo yung lugar. Kaya ako, I wanted to personally assess for myself kasi it has been my practice ever since I entered service. Na when I say safe, ako mismo ang nakakita na safe na yung lugar. Kasi that has been what I am emphasizing to everyone, the word responsibility and accountability as a leader. Mahirap po kasi yung magsasabi ka lang sa taas na safe dito, pero ikaw mismo, hindi mo alam kung ano yung itsura. Okay, along this line, I would like to stress out something for the mga kuya sa Eagles. Tama-tama po yung ating get-together ngayon. Okay? Not only because we wanted to have a income generating as a group. Hindi lang dahil nagtipon-tipon tayo, but I wanted to stress out the word social responsibility. Okay? Siguro lahat naman tayo ay nag-join nito. Hindi lang dahil gusto natin magkaroon ng brotherhood na pwede nating mapagdependa, pwede nating matakbuhan, pwede nating, kumbaga sa Bisaya pa, masalikan. Alright? In times of anything that we need someone who would like to help us one way or another, hindi lang siguro gano'n. But it's because of the social responsibility that we wanted to really realize, or we wanted to really embed upon each and every individual. Kaya nga sabi nga, when you are an eagle, always soar high and aim high. Okay? So along that line, kasi kung ito ay ma-emphasize na gusto, lalong-lalo na sa every member na katulad natin at maparami pa natin, siguro napakalaking bagay po yan. I have an experience. Ikanto ko lang to. Okay? I have an experience before sa Davao. Hindi ako magkamali. I was inducted 2014. Kasama doon sa nag-induct sa akin, yung mataas din ang rango doon sa Eagles. Pero alam niyo, muntik kong barilin yun. Yeah, totoo yan. You know why? Kasi a year after, nagulat ako kasi dikit na dikit sa akin. For all you know, nung nag-operate kami, so in short, may napatay. The first person na dumating na alam ko sino, isang kuya. And what is very saddening to note there, is yung namatay na yun, involved sa drugs. Okay. Alam mo, binura ko yun sa kalsada. Sabi ko, putang ina ka. If the purpose of you getting nearer me is because of this, I will kill you myself. Okay? Kasi nakita ko lahat doon sa picture. Doon sa cellphone. Okay? That is a very saddening experience. And alam ko na na-meet na ninyo rito si Colonel, yung dating DRTO rito, or CTS. Di ko alam kung nakapag, yes, Colonel Pipino. He knows the thing that happened before. Yeah.